Chapter 6 Hands-on Animations in Slides Open Source. Tobo and Dovo went to see Jungle Book. Rudyard Kipling, author of Jungle Book is Rudyard Kipling. A 3D animated movie with their classmates. They were thrilled by the special effects used in the movie. Tobo, wonderful movie. The animation effects in the movie were simply great. I wonder if we can add such effects in our presentation. Yes, you can add effects to your Impress presentation. More beautiful. Really, please guide us. Let us learn animation today. We can make our slides more exciting by applying some special effects to the text objects used in the slides. This can be done by using custom animation. In other words, through custom animation, we can control the way by which individual items should appear on the screen. Tobo, is it similar to slide transition? Slide transitions are similar to transitions, but animations are applied to individual elements on a single slide, such as a title, chart, shape, or individual bullet points. What are the difference? Title, chart, shape, or individual bullet point. Animation can make presentations more lively and memorable. We should always open and view the presentation in normal view mode in order to apply animation effects, as this view allows us to select individual objects on a single slide using slide animation effects. Following steps should be used to apply slide animation effect. Click on slideshow menu, click on custom animation. Here you are seeing this is attractive. Or on the task pane present at the right side of the window, click on the custom animation option. Custom animation panel will be expanded at the right hand side of the windows as shown below. Step 2. Select the object text picture etc from the slide on which we want to apply custom animation. Now from the modify effect section, click on the add button. Custom animation dialog box will appear as shown below. Step 3. In custom animation dialog box, 5 tabs will be displayed with the title entrance. Here title, entrance, emphasis, exit, motion paths, and miscellaneous effects. By default, entrance tab is activated. Already present. By default means already in computer this is present. Apart from entrance tab, we can choose emphasis, exit, and motion path steps as well to get some more effects. Through motion path tab, we can set various types of motion to the object like freedom, line, circle, diamond, etc. Various animation effects in each tab are categorized under following sections: basic, exciting, moderate, special. Step 4. Select any effect and the preview of that effects will be displayed immediately. Automatic preview is checked by default. Automatic preview. Navigate through all the effects and after choosing the desired effects, click on OK button. Follows a step 2 for all the objects which we want to animate. Name of the section: effects. To change or move the effect. If we wish to change or remove the effect applied earlier, then we can do so by clicking on change or remove button available under modify effect section. To change the speed of animation, you may change the speed also. We can change the speed of animation too by selecting various options like very slow, medium, very fast. Here 4 types available under speed section at the bottom of custom animation dialog box as shown below. Teacher, let us explore custom animation dialog box a little more. This offers many other useful options as well. A starting option. With each effect we can choose different starting options too by clicking on a start drop down menu. We have following 3 starting options. On click, animation will appear only on clicking the mouse. With the previous animation will appear with previous animation only on clicking the mouse. After previous animation will appear after previous effects. Click here to select the starting option. You are seeing this animation. To change the order of animation, you may change the order. Use the up and down arrow button to change the order of animation. Advanced animation effects. Click the effect options button next to the properties drop down list to display the effect options dialog box. What we see on the effect option dialog box depends on the selected animation object. The settings section of the effect page also varies accordingly. The effect options dialog box has two tabs. Effect tab. Using this tab, listen carefully, we can choose the direction a sound to play, whether to dim or hide the object after animation, and in the case of text objects, whether to animate the text at all at once or word by word or letter by letter. This is effect tab. Timing tab. Using this, we can set the starting option, time, delay, speed and number of times we want the animation to be repeated as per our choice. Controlling the slide movement. Through this feature, we can apply some exceptional effects which come into effect during slide navigation, during a slideshow to make presentation interesting and eye-catching. Eye-catching also. We can also control the slide movement during slideshow by specifying how the text slide may appear during the slideshow. The next slide can appear in two ways. On mouse click, a slide which has this effect applied to it will appear only by clicking the mouse in the slideshow automatically after time. A slide which has this effect applied to it will appear automatically after the set duration in the slideshow. Click on the slide menu item, click on slide transition. Once again, this is my humble submission to my humble viewers. Subscribe my channel Ask Bikram for science, computer, mathematics and your videos. Thank you. Have a nice day.